I think we are living the best era of humanity until now. Maybe not from all perspectives, but from technological and industrial point of view, I am sure. In the current industry, one of the most frequently mentioned words is flexibility. And to obtain the highest flexibility level, we need interoperability. Interoperability between different types of equipments from different vendors, like this hybrid robot assembly. On the bottom part, you can see an autonomous mobile robot, an AMR. On the top part, you can see a collaborative robotic arm, a cobot. To be able to use this hybrid robot in a real industrial environment, we needed to find a mechanical solution to connect the robots physically, an electrical solution to use the same battery to exchange data and signals, and the software solution to ensure the communication between the robots. But let me explain the power of interoperability with a sport analogy. Imagine a sport team where you are the coach. You have in your team rookies, veterans, foreigners, locals. It's a mix. And it's your responsibility to teach them to work together as a team to win the championship. You can have the best players there. If they cannot work together as a team, the chances to win the championship decreases. It is the same in industry. We have a lot of different equipments from different vendors, different communication protocols, different languages, and somehow we need to find a way to use them together as a team in the most sustainable way. Like using special diet and training methods to integrate veteran players at the highest level, we can use sensors, cameras, artificial intelligence, machine learning to improve and integrate old equipments. Would you like to see what is possible through interoperability? Let us work together and discover all the benefits.